So here I am at Harbor Freight. So as many of you may know by now, Harbor Freight has done away with the various coupons that they've had. They've gotten rid of the 20% off coupon. And really that's not really much of a surprise to me, namely because of all the tariffs on China. Most of this stuff comes from overseas. That's, they're trying to recoup some of their money, I guess. I'm not really too sure about all the ins and outs of all their decision making, but if I had to guess, that was probably why. Anyways, so here we are at that point in time, and I need to warranty this ratchet. The arm here is completely MIA. It's nowhere to be found. It doesn't even ratchet anymore because it can't lock. The button, I think, probably still works, but it's more or less done for. It's past its prime. Let's see if they'll warranty it out without much of a fuss. Now this does come in a what they call a high visibility tool set, which is pretty much just a different colored handle. So let's see if they pull that ratchet out of that set or just give me one off the shelf that's a little bit different. Wish me luck. So the only thing that I bought were these hacksaw blades right here, but they swapped out the ratchet. She did say that because these are sold in a set, that normally they do a set for set replacement on them, but she went ahead and swapped it out for me. So your mileage may vary with that, but I guess Harbor Freight's definitely still honoring their lifetime warranties on their hand tools, so that's good. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick video and stay tuned for more.